Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrend TV. In this video today, I would like to talk about the new Ford Ranger, Stormtrac and the Wolftrac limited edition models. Ford Europe has revealed these two limited edition models based on the style and capability of the Ford's award-winning Ranger pickup truck. First, let's take a look at the Ranger Stormtrac, which is essentially a premium limited edition model based on the premium Ranger Wildtrak series. This Ranger Stormtrac comes with an exclusive striking rapid red paint, complementing the exclusive red grille insert, while also offering LED headlights and a rugged underbody protection. The Ranger Stormtrac also gets exclusive bonnet and body side decals, chunky 3-dimensional badging, and a black rear bumper. Additionally, the Stormtrac also features a bed liner, load divider, and Ford's new power roller shutter feature. On the inside, the Ranger Stormtrac features Stormtrac branded seats with leather upholstery. The interior also features tinted graphite surfaces and red stitching throughout, matching the exterior body paint scheme. The Ranger Wolftrac, on the other hand, is a rugged off-road specific variant based on the Ranger XLT series. The Ranger Wolftrac features a selectable 4-wheel drive system with shift-on-the-fly function, electronically locking rear differential, and all-terrain tires. The Wolftrac also gets a low-range 4-wheel drive system, sending power to the 17-inch black alloy wheels. The Ranger Wolftrac also features a long-leg tubular sports bar to support accessory fitment and easy load restraint. The Ranger Wolftrac also gets Wolftrac-specific badges and plastic molded side steps. The Ranger Wolftrac is available with an exclusive Conquer Grey paint scheme, while also having an option of the Sea Grey. On the inside, the Ranger Wolftrac gets Wolftrac-specific badges, a matte black instrument panel, and door spears, along with durable all-weather floor mats. Just like the Stormtrac, the Wolftrac also features Ford's new power roller shutter for its load bed cover, available as an option. The Ford Ranger Stormtrac comes as standard with the 2-liter bi-turbo EcoBlue diesel engine, producing 213 PS of maximum power and 500 Nm of maximum torque through a 10-speed torque converter automatic gearbox, mated to the standard selectable 4-wheel drive system. The Ranger Wolftrac, on the other hand, comes with the very same 2-liter EcoBlue 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine, which gets only a single turbo, producing 170 PS of maximum power and 420 Nm of maximum torque through a 10-speed automatic gearbox. Both the Stormtrac and the Wolftrac have an identical 1-ton payload and 3,500 kg maximum towing capacity. The new Ford Ranger Stormtrac and the Wolftrac will be built in limited numbers and will be available across Europe from October 2021. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about these new limited editions of the Ford Ranger pickup truck series. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.